Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to develop speed, so that you can be able to do a lot of shit. So first of all, we're gonna try it with the triplets. Then you're gonna apply it. Now let's leave the pedal out of this. We're not gonna use our leg, we're just gonna use our hands. We're gonna do triplets 1, 2, 3, which is 1 and 2 here. 1 and 2, or you can call it 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you apply it everywhere. Then we'll be increasing the speed gradually. Then you can also increase the speed further. Then when you get to where you can't increase it further, you stop. Now this will one of those exercises that will change your playing, just like this. That's one of the exercises. Now let's go to your normal form, which is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We call it paradiddle, so it's just like these exercises. The more you speed them, the more you have speed naturally. So simple exercise like this, the more you add speed, the more it's making sense. So the more you add speed, that's the more your speed is increasing. So stick with these two exercises. Within 1 month, you notice changes in your speed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.